day we got another unboxing. Okay, this time this is the Emoko C91, and one thing I like, it's in a plain box. So with me being in Washington D.C. area, Capitol Heights, you know, sometimes you got to worry about your stuff getting to you and stuff, and people stealing your package. So the fact that they ship this pretty much in a plain box. Only thing they got, you can see they got a C91 down there in the box. See how well they got this package. Okay, up here, that's the stem. Put a tire right there. Box look clean. Okay. This is what was in the boxes. Not the little, that was my microphone charger for my wireless mic for this old camera. The box cut open. As you can see, this was very well packed. They did an excellent job packing it. No dings, nothing. Very secure package. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, take off the attachment to put the handlebars on there. And this is much easier than the front facing one. These old BMX style stems are great. Guys, we got the bike flipped over. We're going to start the front wheel. It's just much easier to do it that way. You put the brake caliper in there. Once you line that brake caliper up in there, I mean brake disc and the brake caliper. This thing for this. And you usually always want to turn it towards the front of the bike. Twist towards the front of the bike, whatever side.